Welcome to McPherson Cellars main tasting room here at the winery in downtown Lubbock. This was the place of Coca-Cola bottling. This room right here is where they bottled Coca-Cola during the 30s, 40s, and 50s. We made a tasting room out of it. This is an urban winery, and we have the whole block. We take 17th Street to 16th Street, and we do have a winery here, and we do everything here. We crush the grapes. We bottle the wine. The only thing I don't have here is my barrels. I have a little barrel warehouse down the street about 3 blocks because I have a beautiful event center. We could put barrels in there, but we decided that we would rather have weddings and events in there to showcase our winery. So when you come in here, you can say, ooh, I'd like to get married here. We do that too. We do everything here. Dinners, meetings, a lot of things. When you come over here, you'll see the whole facility from one end of the block to the other. I've had McPherson Cellars labels since 1998. We've grown it to probably 14,000 cases, which is probably about as big as we're going to get. We feel that we have done a great job with our wines. We like to think that we are putting on a cutting edge of Texas grapes. We don't do Bordeaux or Burgundy varieties. We do Italian, Southern Rhone, and Spanish varieties for our grape selections here, which means Tempranillo, Mourvèdre, Grenache, Syrah, Petit Syrah, Viognier, Roussanne, Marsanne, Picpoul. Some of those varieties that I just spoke about, you may not have heard a lot about them, but they are from the old world. They're grown in parts of Australia and California, but mainly in Europe. They work great here, and this is what we're hanging our hat on, is to show people that we can make different kinds of wine here besides the mainstream of Cabernet, Merlot, Chardonnay, which we find that it's too hot here, but it's a perfect climate for the varieties from southern France, Spain, and parts of Italy. So this is what we have been trying to preach up here on the High Plains for many years, is to grow the varieties that work with the land, and we think these do that. This tasting room was designed back in the day that we thought we would not have that many visitors. Over the years, this is proven to be too small for us. We've opened up across our driveway over here in the Sagamore house a private tasting room. Sagamore is the name of my dad's vineyard, which was first planted here in 1968. And then we now use our patio or courtyard out here for overflow from here. And then some people just like to drink wine outside at our tables and listen to the water fountain, and it's real calming out there. We have really 3 areas you can taste wine here. Thursdays are real special here because we have patio night. We open up our patio or our courtyard, and we have live music and food trucks. We can sit 60 to 80 people out there, and the thing is always full every Thursday. It's from 6 to 9. We showcase local musicians, and we showcase different wines from our portfolio. That's a real fun time, unless it's raining.